Everyone, my name is Tia25, and welcome back to Luigi's Mansion 2 HD. Now, I know I'm trying to make the... Now, I have two good news and bad news. The bad news is Skyliner Superchargers is going to have to wait until I get the proper equipment fixed. And the good news, I'll try and make my videos a little more shorter. By making 2 videos a day or making one, okay? Please understand that I'm doing everything I can. And I really enjoy playing the games for you guys. So if the video ends up being long, well, you at least know why, okay? I might make this video too long for you guys, but please, I'm very sorry for that, okay? Okay, but in any other way, I watched the video where I can find a boo and the and the last 2 pieces. The last 2 gems. There we go. Sorry. All right, we've seen this. All right, that send us in. Now I only watched one of the boo locations, so yeah. All right, basically what you want to do is get a gem. Is this? What the? It should do it. But anyway, I do know where the boo's hidden. Looks like I even discovered something about it. Shadows. And there's the boo! I'm Boo Baruba. Let's go bananas. Okay, this guy little... Man. Oh yeah, and I played the online match, and it turns out you can also upgrade by that. Right, Boo, in you go. But you guys can also skip this if you want. But please understand. I know you got... now I see why...
Yellow. Now. Oh, phew.
Okay, little ghost, I'm here. Sorry, guys. I just really want to get this this part over with. Well, this A, but... Yep, as I thought. Okay, if you want to go back to the bunker, you can, but all the progress you've made will be unsaved. So please notice that. Alright, let's hurry this all up. Right, Ghosty, come here. I'll be a little quiet, you guys. Oh, right. I remembered that door is closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it comes again. Come on, dude. Let me...
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's hurry this up.
Oh.
What the... Yeah, I remember again. Sorry, guys. I hope this video will be helpful with your guide
Hey hey.
in Luigi's Mansion. So, I want to also help other people with their gameplay. If you're feeling like you want to record your videos, well, go ahead and do. Go ahead. Wait. Oh, sorry. I thought it was a gem. My apologies. But yes. Alright. Let's get this one in. Alright, I know you're in there. Got your bow. There we go. There it is. Wow, 8 minutes. That's in. I think I'm going good. I think I'm doing good. Here it goes. Why is it hurtful to Luigi? I am very sorry, bro. Get your bow. Gotcha! Dang mouse! I love how Luigi always leaves the little sparks behind him. There we go. Third gear collected, and we all know where the 4-point is. But I think the only way for you to get a 3-star is to not lose health. Yeah, you think you can hide from me? Heck no. In you go.
Oh, yellow. Ciao.
But yeah, guys, I wish I know how to edit. Well, maybe in the future of this video, I go discover how I can edit my videos. So yeah. Okay, Iga, where are you? There you are.
Oh, yellow. Ciao.
Okay. That should do it.
I did it. Wow.
See? 2-star.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's go back to Egad and bring him to Boo. Yeah, I already know. Okay, here we go. New Boo collected. Treasure earned. At least... Aw, man. I really hope... Okay. Now, this one will be easy for me. Well, us. Us. Really trying to keep up the conversation. Okay, let's see. Bingo! Come on. EGOT, come on.
Yellow. Ciao.
Oh, was something else. Dang. And bingo! A gem. A teardrop gem. That's what I'm gonna call it. Luckily, we need to get to the point. Luckily, we know where we need to go. Okay, there we go. Sorry, guys, I'm really trying to keep the conversation. No, you don't. You're coming in there, too.
I do it.
And with this new upgrade, it's gonna be easier. Oh. That's not a skippable cutscene. Sorry. Wait, what? Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay, we need drink. Okay, now that actually is pretty useful to know. I don't need to think about it. There we go. You know, think about it. Hmm? And there's the last gem. Watch out, your books give you away. I don't know where the boo went. Ah, EGOT.
Oh. Yellow. Ciao.
Okay, guys. We didn't collect all the boos, but I'm gonna continue with the main story now. 4 minutes, 9 ghosts captured. 100! Oh wait, 50 health. Better than my previous. So yeah, I'm gonna do it behind the screens, but probably not because I really want to record it for you guys. Okay, we're gonna just skip all this and insert our little beautiful mechanical machine. Bingo! New upgrade. Oh, good. The Dark Light upgrade unlocked. Thanks to this upgrade, the Dark Light device won't overheat as quick Pretty cool, huh? Oh, sorry. I didn't recognize pretty cool, you guys. Okay. Okay. We don't have the boo, but we do. We do have the boo. So in order for us to get the last this mission, I will be looking behind the scenes to find where the last boo is. But let's look at the vault first. Because when you complete with your gem collection, they say there is a special reward for you then. And here it is. All gems collected. View statue. Well, guys, this is it. The statue of Luigi. When you collect all of the... Oh, go. Oh, man, I did not know you could go this fast. When you complete all your gem collection, you get one of these. Man, that actually looks pretty cool. Crystallized Luigi. Now, let's go back and get a mission finished, you guys. Hey, you got... Where to, Luigi? Alright. So now that that's out of the way, I will be doing... I think I'll make another video today after this one. Now, let's get out. Our quest is taking us to a new location, Luigi. Are you excited? Luigi's not excited. He wants to go home. I think. Well, no, but he will save his brother. Wait. Nah, never mind. No? Ho ho ho. Come on. Where's your sense of adventure, son? Our work is so far done. We need to get a handle on these ghosts, or who knows how far they spread. And there is only one way to fix this mess. Restore the Dark Moon and place it back up in the sky. The periscope has located the next piece somewhere in the haunted towers. They've been abandoned for some time now, but they're teeming with toxic plants, well, exotic plants, and neutral ghosts. The towers are in bad shape, and the water system seems to be broken. The only only if we had a plumber around here. Hello? You see, the haunted towers feature a water complex system that powers all the machinery. Oh, really? Huh, talk about eco-friendly. First thing on your to-do list will be to check out the hydro generator. What's it? Huh. Hydro generator. That's actually not bad. Alright, let's see where we have to go. Copy that. Oh, and keep an eye out for a new type of ghost that goes without saying. Good luck, young feller. The haunted towers. Oh man, someone must have actually built this thing. Right, there's the camera. You know what's coming out. Luigi! Well, you guys know the drill. We'll need all the cash. Oh, hey! There's the key. Now let's look around a little bit. Wait a minute, what's that? Hang on, you guys. What is that? What is that brute doing? There we go. What's that? We got got system right there. Our trigger and it. Hey, why is that chest moving? Oh well. Well, not the chest, but still. Let's look around for a minute, you guys. Nothing here. Just checking. And there goes the key. It's always so beautiful when it goes away. Okay, wherever this goes, there has to be a reason I can pick this up. Yep, that's kind of my fault. Hey, hello. Well, give that thing a whirl, you guys. Too bad I can't close it anymore. What's it? Hey guys, check this out. That's a frog? Let's look around for a minute. Nope, nothing. Alright, let's continue towards here. Great. Couldn't sneak up on him. Huh? Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I remember again. Right, let's see what's in here. Oh, blue? Ah, a 1 and a 2. We all love to memboo. Except for you. Okay, that's kind of rude, man. Gotcha. A 1 and a 2. This boo is gone. Gone into the vacuum you go. Okay, that didn't rhyme at all. Well, I was trying to go down with a sick beat with that boo, but I couldn't. Hello. Hello, Kigo. Man, I thought I could trigger it with the vacuum, but no. Oh, hang on. We got a call from EGOT. Okay, EGOT, what do you got for us? It's just as I feared. The hydro pump seems to be in good condition, so the water pump must be clogged. Why don't you check the water supply on the roof? Okay. So how am I gonna get the water supply? Well, can't go there. Alright, let's check for a minute. Oh, check it out. Looks like we got a long way ahead of us, you guys. So sorry if this video is gonna get long.
Whoop, yeah.
Knew it. The map said that there would be a door here, so I used the dark light. Hey, a doggy bone! That'll come in handy. Okay, Ghost, no more hiding. Okay, that's it. Gotcha! Man, that guy's a little annoying. Nah, well, we found two ways of being them when they're not covering their faces or anything else. Hey, check it out. Hey, a water pump. Nothing. Alright, let's see where this water pump works. What in the world is that stuff? Oh god, not the frog. Well, great, now they've seen me. Wait a minute. Yep, the pipe system is totally clogged. Wait a minute, I almost forgot. Let's look around a little bit, guys. Nope. What the? You gotta be. Good thing there are no ghosts hiding anymore. Oh yeah, right. Good thing in this game, Luigi can run. Run, Luigi, run! Run, Luigi! Wait a minute. Huh. That's different. Hello? Great. Whatever's clogging up the water really is affecting more than just the hydro generator. Not this time. But I can't believe I fell for the old... Whoa. Okay, that almost got us. Let's make sure we... But it does look cool, though. Okay, you can't blame them. They do look cool, like a tornado. You fighting to escape me? You might go up here? Well, heck no. Double ghost capture. And a double brute capture. What's up? Looks like it's trapped. It glitched in there. Oh well, let's see. Let's look here. A hydro lab. Well, I think. Sorry, mousies. I've got it. Oh. Look here. Yep, this I remember. And there's one of the first crystals. Or gems. We're here. All right. Wait, hang on. Okay, now this one is gonna be... Nobody's... Wait, no. Yeah, let's see.
Oh yeah.
Right, let's see. Come on. There we go. Sorry, guys. Let's just get a few more drops. ugh, whatever this stuff is, it really does not smell like. Well, I don't smell. Can't smell the game, but still. There we go. And the hydro pump is working again. And there goes the system. And it looks like the ghosts are having fun too. That actually looks pretty fun. Oh, it's Egad.
Oh, yellow.
Hey, Egad, what's up?
Mhm.
Fantastic job, youngster. Water's flow is slowly normalizing. Hold on, I'll pixelate you out of there in just a minute.
I
Okay,
do it. Ha ha. Oh yeah.
and mission
Wow.
complete? What the? Whatever is in there, it really does not like me.
Oh.
Hello, Mr. What is coming out of... What the heck is that? Guess he's been drinking a lot of water. Well, I'm doing actually pretty good. Gotcha! Damn, that was one heck of a... I'm gonna call that Fat Boy. Sorry, I didn't mean to insult it, but still. Ho ho ho! Good job dealing with that rather roundsome ghost. I'm bringing you back. Hold on. Hold on to your hat. Now we're really getting brought back.
Oh yes. Ho ho. I did it. Wow. Ho ho.
30 health lost. But hey, we got a lot of goods. It's almost an hour long. The video is almost an hour long, but I'm gonna cut it up there, and I'll make a new video as soon as I can. Good job, Luigi. Let's see what that new goes. Let's see what that new goes. Sorry. If I said with. Alright, let's see. New gem collected. New specular species. Update. Update. New ghost collected. New boo collected. New treasure earned. Alright. Well, I've never seen that kind of ghost before. Probably because it's been drinking a lot of water. And good job restoring the water flow. If the whole ghost hunting thing doesn't work out for you, maybe you have a future as a plumber. He is a plumber. You'll be happy to know that the haunted tower for water system is now almost completely functional. And I also have news gathering the dark moon piece. Ooh, give it to me, Doc. Doc? Wait, did I actually call no, I shouldn't. Sorry if that's a copyright thing. Wait, no one owns the word Doc. Oh well. But why don't we take a break? Break from your little slog. Alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna call this video there. So please, I hope you guys enjoy it, and please make sure to like and subscribe. Subscribing really inspires me to keep making these videos. And I'll see you all of you in the next video. Or back here. Here. Who knows? Later. Adios.